How to create text reveal effect in CapCut. Open CapCut. Import the video. Now go to Pixel Lab. Select text, then click on Edit. Write whatever you want to show. Click OK. Select Styles, then Browse. I am choosing this preset. Hit OK. Increase the text size. Click on this icon. Click on the transparent. Then save this as image. Again, go to CapCut. Click Overlay, then Add Overlay. Click on Photos. Select the text image. Increase the text size. Place the text close to the backside of this guy. Increase the text duration to the end of the clip. Click on the layer and add a keyframe. Drag the layer to the end. Now drag the text close to this guy's backside. So, another keyframe will be added. So, if we play this, it looks like the text is moving. Again, click on Overlay. Add Overlay and import the video again. Match the resolution. Slide the lower layer. You will see this mask option. Click on this and select Horizontal Mask. Rotate the mask clockwise and keep it at the center of this guy. Save the video. Again, click on New Project. Select the edited video. Click on Overlay. Select the raw video. Match the video resolution. Slide the lower layer and select Cutout. Then remove background. That's it. You're done.